Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are fine. I'm Miss Palvisha for nursery class teacher. Okay, today now start second monthly assessment work. Subject English. Open your book and page number open 1 for 14 and 15. This. Today now topic new sound A. Today now topic new sound A. Sound A. Say the sound A. Say the sound A. Say the sound A. Okay, say aloud these words. Elephant, elephant, elephant. Which picture is this? Egg. Which picture is this? Egg. 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 And which picture is this? Envelope. Which picture is this? Envelope. 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 Okay. And which picture is this? Elephant. And which picture is this? Elephant. 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 And this? Which picture is this? Eggplant. Which picture is this? Eggplant. 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 Say the sound A. Say the sound A. Say the sound A. Okay. Next page. Page number 1515. Say the sound, trace and color. Which sound is this? A. Which sound is this? A. And which picture is this? Egg. And which picture is this? Egg. Okay. Now tracing start. Proper dotting. Make a curve and make a cursive. It's A. Make a curve and make a cursive. It's A. Which sound is this? A. Proper dotting. Neat and clean work. Make a curve and make a cursive. It's A. Make a curve and make a cursive. It's A. Make a curve and make a cursive. It's A. Okay. Write down A. Make a curve and make a cursive. It's A. Make a curve and make a cursive. It's A. Which sound is this? A. Say out these words. Elephant. Elephant. Make a curve and make a cursive. It's A. Make a curve and make a cursive. It's A. Say aloud these words. Envelope. 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 Next formation. Make a curve and make a cursive. It's A. Make a curve and make a cursive. It's A. Egg. 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 Do it color. Egg. Egg. Say out these words again. Elephant. Egg. Envelope. Elephant. Eggplant. Egg. Envelope. Elephant. Eggplant. Okay. Complete my work. Close your book and open your homework copy. Page number 2020 and 21. Do homework page number 20 and do homework page number 21. Read loudly and write the letter E. Read loudly and write the letter E and sound A. Okay, complete my topic. Okay, Allah Hafiz.